We're gonna keep on walking. Usually there's a photo pass option right up here. Yep, sure is. Where you can get your picture taken with those like flags or in the background or hanging from the tree. Visitors, welcome to Asia. This is the first part of Asia here. Over to the left is the Yeti restaurant. Here's a walk up here in Asia. Are you hungry? A little bit of a cluster here. One of the fun things about going to these amusement parks, makes for good people watching. Saw somebody wearing a Kiss t-shirt. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, take a look at this statue right here up ahead. It's a perfect shape of Everest in the background. We're gonna do this photo op. All right, here's the statue. If you position yourself correctly, it'll line up directly with,
It's perfect. I'm the right height.
There with Everest.
I'm the exact right height.
Alright, here's a vista of the Himalayas. Check out that structure of Everest in the background. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're going to continue walking toward Everest. Sometimes rumor has it that in those carts right there that they transport, that sometimes they have characters hidden inside there, and it's faster to tuck them away in those things instead of having them walk, because people are constantly stopping them to get their pictures taken with them. Over on the left hand side you can see how they have decorated with backpacks and camping gear for people who travel and try to climb Mount Everest. Here's a soft serve waffle cone truck. Take a look at that truck. That is cool looking, the way they have that painted up. And they sell the Yeti sundae. Also some beverages. Very cool. The Thirsty River Bar and Trek snacks. There's some more of the theming. I love those flags that they have decorated just like they do on Mount Everest. Alright, this is the beginning to Expedition Everest. Shit. There it is. All right, so if you're in the lightning lane, you come over here. Stand by 60 minutes.